Have you ever wanted your trading account to go up every single day? To see your balance rise, your chart climb, your profit history turn greener and greener, day after day? I did. There was a time when all I cared about was seeing that number grow. Every morning I would open my trading platform, whether it was day trading crypto, day trading forex, or even day trading stocks, and I told myself, today has to be a winning day. If one day ended in red, I would force another trade. Not because the setup was good, but because I couldn't stand seeing a negative number. I thought I was chasing growth, but what I was really chasing was dopamine. And that addiction almost destroyed me. At first, I didn't realize it. I thought I was being disciplined, trading every day, staying consistent, grinding my way to success, but what I was really doing was forcing the market to obey my emotions. Then came that day. I entered a trade, it hit stop loss, entered again, another loss, third time, stopped out again, 3 losing trades in a row, and that's when something inside me snapped. I told myself, I can't let today end in red, I have to win this back. So I kept trading. But this time, I wasn't trading my system. I was trading my emotions. I started taking trades I normally wouldn't. No confirmation, no clear trend, no patience, just reaction, pure emotion, driven by fear and the need to fix my losses. And slowly, the numbers on my screen started bleeding. My capital dropped, my confidence collapsed, my focus shattered. I wasn't a day trader anymore. I was a gambler, chasing the illusion of control in a market that couldn't care less about me. And in that moment, something inside me went silent. I realized I wasn't losing money because of bad setups. I was losing money because I couldn't stand to lose. When you fear losing, you start trading not for probability, but for comfort. You enter trades not because they make sense, but because you want relief. That's not how to day trade, that's how to destroy your account. The truth is, when you force yourself to win daily, you stop being a trader and start being an emotional operator. Someone who trades to fix feelings, not to follow systems. And that's when the market teaches you the hardest lesson of all. It doesn't punish you. It purifies you. It breaks your illusions, one loss at a time, until you finally surrender your ego. That day, after all those losses, I closed my platform. I stared at my account. Red, painful, smaller than it was the day before. But for the first time, I didn't try to fix it. I let it hurt. Because that pain was real, and that pain was trying to teach me something. It was saying, you don't need to win every day. You need to survive long enough to win in the long run. From that day, I changed my goal. I no longer tried to make money every single day. Instead, I focused on something completely different, something most traders ignore, my compliance rate. Every day I ask myself, did I follow my system? Did I trade only in the direction of the trend? Did I avoid trading in sideways markets? Did I wait patiently for confirmation before entering? Did I let profits run and cut losses quickly? If the answer was yes, then it was a successful day. Even if I lost money, I won discipline, and that's how my results started changing. The more I focused on process instead of profit, the calmer I became. I stopped being addicted to seeing my account rise daily. I stopped fearing a red day. Because I understood something that most traders never do. The goal isn't to win every day. The goal is to become someone who doesn't need to win every day to stay balanced. That's the real transformation, and once you reach that point, trading becomes peaceful. You stop fighting the market. You stop fighting yourself. Let's talk about the truth behind day trading. Most people search for how to day trade crypto, how to trade forex, or how to trade stocks. They believe success comes from strategy, indicators, entries, and setups. But what they don't realize is this: no matter what market you're in, day trading forex, day trading crypto, or day trading stocks, the market's main game is psychological. The market is not testing your technical skills. It's testing your ability to stay patient when you want action, to stay still when your brain screams to click buy or sell, to accept losses without revenge, to accept boredom without seeking excitement. That's the real battle of a day trader. I've learned that discipline is not about following rules, it's about controlling chemistry, controlling dopamine. Every time you force a trade after a loss, you're not trying to make money, you're trying to make dopamine. Every time you want to just check the chart again, you're not analyzing the market. You're chasing a hit of emotional comfort. That's why the biggest edge in trading isn't your strategy. It's your ability to do nothing, to wait, to let time pass without reacting, and once you can do that, your PL starts to take care of itself. Here's the paradox. When I stopped caring about winning every day, I started winning more, because I finally traded probabilities, not emotions. I followed logic, not fear. I respected the market instead of trying to dominate it, and the market rewarded that. So remember this, if you truly want to learn how to day trade, stop chasing daily wins. Start mastering your inner game. Forget the obsession with day trading crypto, day trading forex, or day trading stocks as if they're different beasts. They all lead to the same battlefield, your own psychology, and the one who conquers that battlefield is the one who no longer needs to prove anything to the market. When I let go of the need to win every day, I finally found something much more valuable than profits. I found peace, and from that peace came patience, from patience came precision, and from precision came profit. That's the irony of trading. The less you chase it, the more it comes. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Don't measure your success by how much you make today. Measure it by how well you followed your system. If you traded with discipline, you've already won. Even if the chart says otherwise. And that's the mindset that turns a struggling trader into a professional one. This is day trading psychology, helping you trade not just with skill, but with emotional mastery.